Hi guys, I'm Anthony. I'm a stylist at Philadelphia Hair Design, and today I will be doing a segment for our at-home Hair 101 series. Today I'm going to be talking about Redken's Extend Blondage Shampoo and Conditioner to help with unwanted tones in the hair, and I will be using as well the Frizz Dismiss Instant Deflate Serum to help give us the smooth look that we are looking for. Ultimately, as blondes, we tend to get frizzy, as well as if you have thick hair like me, it is very unruly, so I'm going to show you how to achieve this look. Hi guys, so I first wanted to show you my hair in its natural state. As you can tell, it is very unruly, thick, very hard to manage. So if you see also too the unwanted tones in my hair, very brassy, very warm, and us as blondes, we want to get rid of that. Ultimately, we want to be that white, perfect platinum blonde. So today I'm going to be using Redken's Color Extend Blondage Shampoo and Conditioner. So not only is that going to get rid of the unwanted tones, but it's also going to help prevent future breakage and give longevity for us as blondes. So it uses a triple acid protein complex in it, so it really gives the hair nourishment as well as getting rid of those tones. So I'm going to wet my hair and then I will show you how to apply it. Okay, so now that my hair is wet, I'm going to put the purple shampoo, the Redken Color Extend Blondage Wonderfulness. I put a little bit like that in my hand, and then I'm just going to lather it on. Okay, so do not be scared that your hair is purple or your hands. It is not going to be purple. It is just going to get rid of the unwanted tones that we don't want in our hair. So I'm gonna leave this in probably for like 3 to 5 minutes. And then we'll rinse out and we'll follow with the conditioner. And then we will rinse that out as well. And then I will show you how to style your hair. Alright, so now I rinsed all of that out. I'm going to start my blow dry process. So I'm going to be using the Frizz Dismiss Instant Deflate. This is going to help me smooth out my hair when I'm blow drying it, as well as heat protection as well, up to 446 degrees. And also, I like to blow dry with a low heat. Even though I'm using a heat protection product, I still want to prevent further breakage, give my hair that smoothness that I ultimately want to eat. So I'm going to, I'll do like 3 drops just to start. So I like to put this in damp, as well as I might put in a little bit after when it's dry, just so I can have that effect of the smoothness that I want. So I just get in there and put it all through. Oh, it smells so good. I love it. So, put that in, and I will comb it through, just like that. And again, you can use the Blondage shampoo and conditioner 2 to 3 times a week, and if you feel that you need to use it more or less, you can absolutely do that. Okay, so now that I've applied the Frizz Dismiss throughout my hair, I'm going to rough dry, get most of the moisture out before I go ahead in with a brush to style, just to, again, prevent further breakage. You don't want to go in there completely soaking wet and blasting it with heat, and just, you want to get most of the moisture out first. So let's get started. Okay, so now that most of the moisture is out of my hair, I'm gonna go in with a 1-inch round brush. This is from Moroccan Oil. And with this, we're gonna go ahead and section and smooth out my hair. This is not only just to lift and give volume, but you can also use it as like a straightener. Instead of going in with an actual straightener, you can follow the brush, you brush it down, so wherever direction you want your hair to be styled, that's where you want to go. So I'm going to push all of my hair this way and start with a small section here, and if you need to use clips, you can use clips. And we're going to go ahead and get in on that root, like so, and follow the direction where you want it to go. Now, if you want the back of your head to be smooth, pushed forward, you're just gonna go ahead in like this, and you're just gonna follow it forward. The blow dryer and the brush, they never leave each other. You don't want it to be too far away, and you don't want it to be right on it as well, just because you don't want to completely damage the hair with high heat, as well as you want to get that control as well. So right here, you can see, you just want to go ahead and push that forward. So I'm going to go ahead and show you that. So now, if you do have a lot of hair, very thick, you want to go ahead and clip some of it out of the way. So I'm going to do this. And then just work in this section here. And as you can see here, my hair is going forward, smooth. The Frizz Dismiss really does help with that. And if you don't have those kind of products, you can also use anything that is natural, like coconut oil or anything that you have that you can use for hair and skin. So you see how I'm just going right in here and just following the brush. You just want to follow the brush to where you want it and where you want it to live. Alright, so now that we have the finished look here, just smoothing it out without a straightener, giving us that total smoothness that we're looking for, as well as the tonnage is a lot better than what it was. Again, if you need to use it more than one time, a couple more times a week if you need to, I love this product. It is so great, and my hair feels so great from the Frizz Dismiss. I mean, it's definitely giving it the smooth realness it deserves, us as blondes. So then, just to make sure that none of the frizzies are popping up anywhere, I like to go in with the Quick Dry 18 hairspray from Redken and just give it a quick little spray. Just to kind of keep that in place, and yeah. Alright, so here's our finished look. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Glad I can share all this information with you, and I hope to see you guys soon.